today, a very special guest speaker has kindly accepted our invitation to address our computers. At this point, we will call on our beloved junior high school and senior high school coordinator to introduce our esteemed guest speaker.
Good afternoon, everyone. It is my privilege to introduce our esteemed guest speaker. He is a proud alumnus of our institution, having been a certified Dolorusian during his elementary years. He completed his junior high school education at Bacoor National High School and excelled as a researcher during his senior high school at De La Salle University, focusing on the STEM strand. He earned his Bachelor of Science in Geology from the University of the Philippines, Diliman, graduating with a distinction of magna cum laude in 2023. He is currently pursuing a Master of Science in Geology at the same university. A passionate advocate for science, he participated in the Sakura Science Program organized by the Japan Agency for Marine Earth Science and Technology in 2024. He has also been recognized as a scholar under the DOST SEI Undergraduate Merit Scholarship and the Humane Scholarship Program at De La Salle University. Throughout his academic journey, he has been an inspiring figure, serving as a student assistant. In 2023, he successfully passed the geologist licensure examination. He currently holds the position of instructor 4 at the National Institute of Geological Sciences at the University of the Philippines, Diliman. It is with great honor that I ask you to join me in welcoming our distinguished guest, Mr. Joshua Godwin Cuevas.
You may sit down. PLWC President, Mr. Ronaldo Salvador, Basic Education Principal, Ms. Milagros Guevara, High School Coordinator, Mr. Reyes Vallardo, School Administrators, guests, teachers, parents, and students. Isang maganda at pinagpalang hapon po sa inyo. 2 weeks ago, I was asked to speak during the moving up ceremony of PLWC. This is actually my first time being invited to speak for an event like this. So, gusto ko sana magpasalamat kay Sir Bong for the opportunity. Thank you po. Truth be told, hindi ako graduate ng high school dito unlike you guys. Instead, I am an elementary graduate of PLWC. Noong 2011, una akong pumasok dito bilang transferee. I was 11 years old back then and grade 5 ako noon. Wala pa akong masyadong napapatunayan at that time, pero I was generously offered a tuition fee waiver by the PLWC administration, and for that, I am grateful of the state. Sa pagpupursige, I graduated elementary in 2013, and 2 taon na ako nag-aral dito, pero masasabi ko na naging makabuluhan yung oras ko. Dito kasi unang nakilala yung mga guro na naniwala sa akin. Sa tulong ni Sir Bong, sinuportahan nila kami na lumahok sa mga iba't ibang competitions at mga quizzes. Minsan nananalo, pero madalas natatalo. Gayunpaman, ano man ang result, lagi akong umuwi na may dalang pag-asa. Pag-asa na kaya kong makipagsabayan sa mga students from other institutions and mga students from other areas. Mula pagkabata kasi dito ako lumaki sa Bacoor, at bukod sa apat na haligi ng aming tahanan, dito lang sa bayan ito umiikot yung buhay ko. Pero through those extracurricular activities I was involved in my elementary days, I was given the chance to represent the school to various venues. Sa totoo lang, una akong nakayabak sa Universidad ng Pilipinas dahil sa PNWC. May competition kaming sinalihan noon sa UP Los Baños. 2 beses siya. Sa 2 magkaibang pagkakataon, 2 quiz yun. And yes, hindi kami nanalo, hindi kami nakalagpas sa elimination round. Pero for every contest that I joined in, unti-unting lumalawak yung mundo ko. Pagdating sa bahay, lagi ko pinakwento sa nanay ko noon na meron na naman akong bagong napuntahan. Meron na namang bagong karanasan. Nakapunta ako sa ganitong lugar, na nakalaban ko yung mga magagaling sa ibang schools. And for BNWC, marami silang activities at that time which helped foster my character at a young age. Dala-dala ko yan even when I was in high school. I started joining clubs and participating in research groups. I tried to be active during class. Started studying seriously, taking up new responsibilities, and always wanting to be part of the next big thing. And like all of you, nag-pursue ako and managed to finish junior high school. Naabot na lang ako ng Tito 12. And unfortunately for us, my junior high school did not have a direct senior high school program. I think that BNWC does have a senior high school program, pero for me, it was not an option. Moving up from junior high school was a challenging time. Kasi kailangan kong maghiwalay sa mga classmates and friends ko, some of which I have been with nearly every day for 4 years. Some of them, I had the time of my life with. May mga memories kasi talaga na sa high school lang mabubuo at nararanasan. I'm sure that some of you, or many of you even, may feel the same way. Although masaya na nakapagtapos na ng isang kabanata, malungkot dahil mahirap iwanan yung mga nakasanayan mo. Some of you may be transferring schools or moving to new places, and it may be a difficult adjustment stage. Sa senior high school din kasi, yung talagang decision-making process which could very well dictate your futures. Kailangan mong pumili whether you will take up STEM, ADM, Fumes, CAS, and among other options. Kung after junior high school, dyan na yung tinatawag natin na young adult stage, where you learn to become more mature, make critical decisions, and to become independent. Gayun pa man, may nagtanong sa akin noon, do you consider high school to be the best time of your life? It's a common saying kasi, na pinakamasaya daw yung high school. Hindi ako nagkalinlangan, sinagot ko agad hindi. Although I have had many unforgettable experiences during my time in high school and I have met many lifelong friends, I do not want to think that the best has already happened. Optimistic dapat yung point of view natin. Ayoko may constrain yung buhay ko sa 4 corners of the classroom or dito sa bayan kinalakan ko. In my case, I had a junior high school teacher who was very supportive and suggested I take the senior high school placement exam in De La Salle University. Wala talaga akong plano noon na mag-aral outside of Bacoor, pero I saw this as another challenge to widen my horizons. It was a significant stepping stone of my life. I had to commute long distances sa Maynila yun, sa Maytap. And wala kasi kami kakayahan na magrenta ng apartment or ng bahay doon sa Maynila. So, kailangan magtiis ng konti. Lagi ang sinasabi ng nanay ko na saglit lang yan na pagtapos niyan, kung magpupursuli ka, makakamit ko rin yung mga pangarap. And doon, talagang nagtiis ako. Laging traffic, tuwing may bagyo, minsan inaabutan ako ng baka, nahihirapan pumasok at umuwi. Still, I endured through those hardships with the help of my supportive friends, family, and above all, God. After senior high school, pumasok ako sa Universidad ng Pilipinas, where I studied geology. This time around, I started living in Quezon City as a dormer. I met people from all over the country. Now, I have friends in Luzon, sa Visayas, and sa Mindanao. The diverse community in UP helped me broaden my perspectives and change my worldview for the better. All of us doing what we can to drive the Philippines or to contribute to the Philippines. Basta tandaan nyo, bilog ang mundo. Marami pa kayong mga kasamang tao na hindi nyo pa nakikilala. May mga kapag pa kayong kakainan na hindi nyo alam. At marami pa kayong mapupuntahan na lugar na hindi nyo pa narinig. So I hope that after ng moving up ceremony na to, huwag nyo isipin na tapos na ang pinakamasayang kabanata ng buhay nyo. Instead, lagi nyo tandaan na malaki yung mundo sa labas ng school. As of the moment, I am working as a geologist, an instructor, and a researcher. We study the Earth, the physical properties or the physical processes that govern this planet during millions and even billions of years of history. And if I have learned anything as a geologist, it is the size and scale of the planet we live in. In my work, it is necessary to conduct field work and construct reports of what we see out there. Ika nga, for a geologist, the entire Earth is your laboratory. Yung passion ko for learning, your excitement ko whenever I venture into the unknown, yung curiosity whenever we start mapping a new place or a new region, those qualities were inculcated with me at a young age. Yung mga school activities, yung mga experiences ko during elementary, during high school and college, when taken individually, they may seem inconsequential. But taken collectively, they constitute my character today. In recent years, I have been very fortunate to finish college with distinction and to be employed at the best university the Philippines has to offer. Yes, I am very fortunate and I am very blessed, and for that I am thankful to the Lord every single day. Pero I want to stress that labor does not bear fruit overnight. Mahaba at masalimuot ang pinagdaanan ko, and panigurado may mga sarili-sarili din kayong mga laban. Pero lagi kayong magpatuloy at magpursige at huwag kailanman susuko. Ako, ang mga pangarap ko ang katilan kung bakit ako gumigising na araw-araw. Yes, nakapagtapos na ako, and yes, may trabaho na ako. Pero everyday, I still feel restless. Na mayroon pa rin akong mga lugar na gustong puntahan, mga bansa na gustong mabisita, at mayroon pa rin akong mga bagay na gustong makamit. Minsan sinasabihan ako ng nanay ko na parang masyadong mataas yung pangarap ko na. And totoo, mataas talaga ang mga pangarap ko. But we all need to have a concrete goal to work on if we want to continue to grow as an individual. Tandaan nyo, mapalad ang may mataas na pangarap. Lalo na kung gumagawa ka ng mga konkretong hakbang para maabot mo. As a geologist, I've seen just how big and full of possibility the Earth really is. It is shaped by time, pressure, and a whole lot of patience. Kind of like our dreams, yung mga pangarap natin. Yes, reaching those dreams isn't easy. Mahirap siya. It takes digging deep, showing up every day, and pushing through the tough layers. But trust me, what's out there and what's inside you is worth the effort. The world is wide, full of paths, waiting to be explored. So keep going, stay curious, and never stop working towards the life you want to live. There's more out there than you can imagine, and it's yours to uncover. In a geologist's point of view, the world is large and it is waiting for you. To all the students and parents here, congratulations. Magandang hapon at mabuhay kayo lahat.
Thank you so much, Mr. Cuevas. We are truly grateful and humbled for your presence, and we look forward